Hello students, let us continue exercise 12.1 NCERT exemplar Heron's formula. We have already discussed all these formulas of this unit. Now we discuss question number 1, exercise 12.1. An isosceles right triangle has area 8 cm square. The length of its hypotenuse is area of an isosceles triangle equal to 8 cm square. This is your given. We draw a rough diagram of isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, so we say that x. And this is your right angle triangle, so y is hypotenuse. Now, given area of isosceles triangle is 8 cm square, so we use formula according to question 1/2 base multiply height. Base is x, height is also x. 1/2 base multiply height equal to 8. X into x, x square. 8 multiply 2/1, that is 16. X is equal to 4. By PGT, y square is equal to x square plus x square. Hypotenuse square is equal to, now we write hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So we write x square plus x square. Y is equal to root of 1x square plus 1x square, 2x square. Y is equal to root 2x. X square, root of x square cancel out, we get x, root 2x. Value of x is 4. So we write root 2 into 4. Hence y is equal to 4 root 2. 4 root 2 can be write 4 4 the 16 to the 32. Root 32. Hence option A is correct. Hence option A is correct. Now second question. The perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 60 meter. The area is, perimeter of an equilateral triangle equal to 60 meter, and formula of perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 3 sides. So we write 3 sides equal to 60 meter. Side is equal to 60/3, that is 20 meter. A equal to 20 meter. Area of an equilateral triangle is equal to root 3/4 side square, A square. Root 3/4 multiply A is 20. 20 multiply 20. 4 1 is 4. 4 5 is 20. 25 is 100. 100 root 3 centimeter square. 100 root 3 centimeter square. Hence option D is correct. Hence option D is correct. Now third question. The side of an triangle 56 centimeter, 60 centimeter, 52 centimeter long, the area of the triangles. Now we use Heron's formula. Let A equal to 56, B equal to 60 centimeter, C equal to 52 centimeter. S is semi-perimeter, A plus B plus C upon 2, and their addition is 168. Divided by 2, we get 84 centimeter. Area of triangle ABC equal to root of S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. 84 minus 56, value of S is 84, value of B is 60. 84 minus 60, value of S is 84, value of C is 52. 84 minus 52. We get 84, 28, 24, 32, root of whole. Now we write 3 into 28. 84 can write 3 into 28. 28 multiply 24 can write 3 2 is 6, 2 is 12, 2 is 24. And 32 can write 4 4 is 16, 2 is 32. Now we write in a pair form 3 into 3, 28 into 28, 2 into 2, 4 into 4, 2 into 2. We get pair 3, 28, 2, 4, 2. And their calculation is 1344 centimeters square. Hence option C is correct. Hence option C is correct. Now area of equilateral triangle with side 2 root 3 centimeter is. Side of equilateral triangle is 2 root 3. Area of an equilateral triangle equal to root 3 upon 4 side square. So we write root 3 upon 4 into side 2 root 3. 2 root 3 multiply 2 root 3. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. Root 3 root 3. Root 9 3. 3 root 3. Area is 3 root 3. 3 multiply value of root 3 1.732 and their multiplication 5.196 centimeter square. Hence option A is correct. Hence option A is correct. The length of each side of an equilateral triangle having an area 9 root 3 centimeter square is. Area of an equilateral triangle 9 root 3 centimeter square. And formula of equilateral triangle, area of equilateral triangle root 3 upon 4 side square equal to 9 root 3. Side square equal to 9 root 3 reciprocal of root 3 upon 4, that is 4 upon root 3. Root 3 cancel out, 4 9 is 36. Side is equal to root of 36, that is 6 centimeter. Hence option D is correct. Hence option D is correct. Now sixth question, area of an equilateral triangle is 16 root 3 centimeter square. Then the area of the triangle, then the perimeter of the triangle. This is your formula of area of equilateral triangle and this is your area. Now we write side is equal to 8. Side of an equilateral triangle equal to 8 centimeter. Perimeter of equilateral triangle equal to 3 side. 3 8 is 24. Hence option B is correct. Now next, side of an equilateral triangle, the length of longest altitude. First we find the area by Heron's formula. These are the sides and this is your diagram and this is your semi-perimeter, 75 centimeter. Area of equilateral triangle root of S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now S 75 minus A is 35. A is 35, so we write 35. S 75, B is 61, so we write minus 61. Value of S is 75, value of C is 54. Value of C is 54. And we get 75, that is 40 multiply 14 multiply 21. And their simplification is 420 root 5 centimeter square. This is the area of equilateral. This is the area of an triangle. Now smallest side is 35. Smallest side of this triangle 35 centimeter. The length of its longest altitude. So area of a triangle 1 upon 2 base multiply height. Let base is 35. So we write 1 upon 2 base multiply height equal to area. Height equal to 35 upon 2 can be write 2 upon 35 multiply 420 root 5. 35 1 is 35, 35 12 is 420. 12 2 is 24 root 5. Hence height of this altitude is 24 root 5. Hence option C is correct. Now area of an isosceles triangle with base 2 and the length of equal side 4. Let equal side is 4 and base is 2. So area of isosceles triangle equal to, this is the formula of area of isosceles triangle, A upon 4 root 4b square minus A square. A upon 4, value of B is 4 square minus value of A is 2 square. 4 4 जा 16, 4 जा 64 minus 4. 64 minus 4, 60, root 60. Value of a is 2. So we write 2 upon 4, root 60. That is 1 upon 2, root 60. Can we write 1 upon 2, 2 root 15. 2 2 जा 4, 15 4 जा 60, root 60. 2 2 cancel out, we get root 15. Hence option A is correct. Now last, the age of a board, this cost of painting. First we find the area of triangle by the Heron's formula. We get area of this triangle is 24 centimeter. Cost is equal to, find the cost. The cost of painting at the rate of 9 paisa per centimeter square. So we write cost is equal to change 9 paisa in rupees, 9 upon 100 multiply total area 24. We get 9 4 is 36, carry 3, 9 2 is 18 plus 3, 216. Take 2 decimal place. This is your answer. Rupees 2.16. Rupees 2.16. Option B is correct. Second method, 6 square plus 8 square, can we write 10 square. So converse of PGT, given triangle is right angle. Hence area of triangular board 1 upon 2 base multiply height. 1 upon 2 base is 6 and height is 8. So area is 24 centimeter square. Option B is correct. Now do exercise 12.1 in your fair notebook. Thank you.